In this cozy hamlet of Appleton, Maine, a new model railroad layout marvel has been recently disclosed through the TV media. This new find got lots of attention from the public. Railroad modeler Frank Briggs had spent 20 years making his dream layout become a reality.
He retired from doing the earthwork construction business, and he came up here and he started building and he never stopped.
Now that Frank had passed away last year, building owner David Stone made a vow to keep this HO scale masterpiece running and for all to come and visit. What's on the rails? Mr. Stone decided to call out model railroaders from all over the land, and not only keeping it running, operational, now listen to this, he would like to create a brand new model railroad club in Maine.